Today I'm going to show you how to prepare the reserve dataset from Mainscape into Sprite Scheduler. So firstly, you need to have the better block or the solid data. So in this case, I would like to show you the better block. So I've used the better block. You need to make sure that your better block has no small block. If still have a small block, then you need to use the BB merge tools to combine with other block. So after that, you can use the reserve, sample, and polygon because of your data is come from the better block. But if your data is come from the solid, then you need to use the solid one. So I use the polygon as a normal. You can input as scheme, model type, and quality model. And the polygon, you can use the list file, your better block of your pit. So in this case, I used my better block of my pit. For top surface, you can use your surface topography original or your progress. But in bottom surface, you need to combine your topo and your pit. Don't only use the bottom of the pit. So in this case, in my case, this is my pit, but I need to use the bottom surface for combination from topo and also for the bottom of my pit. For the option, you can check for the volume and mass. For the sampling, please uncheck the accumulate because we will have the loss and the dilution. Uncheck also for the U-centroid, but you can choose check for the Hanner triangle, crop line, and the pinch out. But if your data is big, then you can uncheck for the all Hanner. For the interval, as a normal, you can input for the layer of sim and surface set. In this case, I left as a blank, but you can also use your surface soil or surface Friedic for divide your material in the scheduling. For bench, you can use your bench definition that you have prepared before. It's based on your requirement. So I use the bench 4, so every 4 meters. For quality, you can input the quality also. So after that, you can press OK. And you can continue with the evaluate sample and the mining reserve to input your loss and your dilution. In this case, I only use the loss. Right. You can continue using the accumulate sample. You can input your mining reserve in here as an input, and for output, you can use the table accumulate. After that, the last one, you can access the reformat sample and interval. You can use your accumulate table. And for reporting, you can check for all volume and RR mass. But if you have a parting, then you need to check for the volume of your parting. And the last table, the last tab, you can use the others, and please check the interval loss and interval dilution if you have a loss and dilution. But if you only have the loss, then you need to check only for interval loss. And also don't forget to input the quality in here. After all process is finished, then you need to export your reformat into the Excel format. So I can check format table in here, and then this is my reformat table from the Mainscape, and I export it into the Excel one. And after that, you can export also for the mining reserve. If I recall, you can check for your mining reserve evaluate sample in here, and the output using the MR, and you need to export it the mining reserve table into CSV. So I can access from my table, and then this is my mining reserve, and then I export it into CSV. So in the next video, I would like to show you how to import the reserve data into the Sprite Scheduler. So if you have any question, please contact us. Thank you.